Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra.
Yo, what up? What's good, everybody? What is good? We are done with the appointment. It's feeling good outside. Why does that guy have on a skirt? It's crazy. That shit crazy. I gotta stop cussing. All right, everybody, so we back. We're good. We're about to get on the road. We had everything worked out pretty well. There was a badass God, I gotta stop cussing. There was a really, really nice Harley that was right here, and man, glad I got a picture of it before he took off and got out of here. But yeah, so now we're about to go head over, excuse me, to the food trucks, and we're gonna kind of see if they got anything open right now. The last time I went, it looked like a lot of the stuff opened up, okay, at 12, and it is 12, so we should be good to go. Not really a cold start since we weren't here very long, so this bad boy is already, the Suzuki is already warmed up, so we ain't got to worry about the cold start. But the only thing I don't want to do is go ride down. I don't want to. Oh shoot, I'm tripping. Whoops. Let's go. Not about to hit me, bro. Please don't hit me. Beat down ninjas. 40 miles an hour down this long ass road. I don't know what they're putting over here. I didn't even realize they cleared all this out. Damn. I wonder if it's gonna be a neighborhood. That's a huge cut. Save me! Whole world done made a ninja crazy. Can't control it. And it's loaded. Whew. It's windy. I'm telling you, man, this weather. I was joking with my nurse. We were joking, we were like, nah, damn, weather changes so quickly over here, you don't even understand it. She's like, yeah, it's like Texas weather is like women, they don't know what it wants. Yeah, it's been a pretty nice day though, man. I'm definitely glad to be out on twos. Damn, that was odd. Why did that happen? The wind, boy, it's cutting. Man, that is so weird, man. What's going on up there? Always something going on up there, bro. Oh, they're putting the gas station back over here, tits? Or are they taking it down? They devoted to clear that lot. Finally. Come on, man. Let's go. This is crazy. Yeah, I think there was like a wreck or something up there. I saw a bunch of flashing lights and shit. I don't know what's happening. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? What is going on? When you're trying to follow the rules of the road, and ain't nobody going, bro. This is crazy. Oh, you know, that's why I'm really trying to come right over here. So I was just trying to get over here. That was it. All right, so yeah, this is the spot. Man, it kind of sucks because it's pretty windy, but it is what it is. It's all good. It's pretty windy. Last time I got my food to go, but I was in the car, so just gotta kind of deal with that. Yeah, that was funny. Get up out of here. What up, what up, what up? Oh shoot, I ain't got the mirror on my bike to see if I am recording. She said find a way to bring it home. That's crazy. All right, we got the lo-fi going. Got the tunes going. So poppin'. So yeah, we came over to this dope ass spot, Screaming Chameleon. It's pretty dope spot. And, it's a really cool spot. They got a full bar inside. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trucks out here right now. Different flavors for everything. So they got a little bit of everything over here. Soul food, tacos, cheesesteaks, spuds. I got me a big ass spud. It was big. I couldn't even finish it all, man. I'm stuffed. I am stuffed. So let's take our time going out. See what I'm saying, dude? Just weird shit like that. It's just, why you gotta be weird? Just drive, bro. I'm just saying, man. Just drive, bro. There we go. Yeah, like, again, that is so strange, man. 12 o'clock and it's like, again, the heavy winds. It's blowing me everywhere. I'm going like 45 miles an hour. Heavy winds came out of nowhere again. Unfortunate. To me, it's just hard to enjoy the highway. You're getting blown around like a leaf. Damn, lady, she went past that mug. So we're gonna hit the highway, head back to the mainstay, see what the fellas is talking about. I know everybody's talking about going to this ghost meet tonight. I don't know why he ran up on the side of me like that. It's crazy. He just like ran up on the side of me, bro. What are you doing? Fuck, somebody smashed their brakes or their tires. So, yay, yay. I need to look up when I go home if you can lane filter. I need to figure that out, because if you are, I'm gonna start going up to every light. I can't stand sitting. Ooh, that wind is smacking. Yeah, it's getting me pretty good. I know somebody earlier in the group had said something like there was a bunch of police presence on another major highway over here, so that's why I kind of avoided that highway, avoided that direction completely. Right, since they're racing over here, we more likely will be close to the house, so I'm not worried about. I wouldn't mind going out, but it's gonna be a bunch of cars, I think. It's like a big 210 meet. Let's see if we can get any bikes out there. A lot of the cars don't want to run the bikes. Even though it's fun, they don't want to run the bike. Super windy. We just swimming, baby. We just swimming, baby. We just swimming, baby. We doing nothing but just swimming. Swimming, 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 swimming through this traffic. We're completely stopped once again up here. Let me move over to the side. I hate when traffic stops like this. Nervous about people coming up behind me. Let's go, baby. So I think one of the new spots, one of the new meetup spots is this new gas station that just opened back up. It closed down, I guess, a while back, like around COVID. But shit was closing down left and right. But it's literally right there at the Shell, new gas station. They just opened it up. called. Oh, okay, Roadies. It's called Roadies. But yeah, last time it was out here, man, that whole thing was packed up. And they got a Pizza Hut in there too. Long truck up there. Low down. That should be swimming. Love this bike. I'm glad he waited for me. Appreciate that. If it sound crispy. That should sound crispy sauce. Now you asking how sauce can be crispy? Because I said it is. This bike just makes me freaking, I don't know, man. Y'all have no clue. So get a clue.